How to fix the game auth keeps crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library, right click on the game, go to properties, and then under general tab in the launch options box you want to type -dx11 like this, and then you want to go to the installed files tab and click on verify integrity of game files, and then wait for this process to finish. And once it's done you want to click on the browse button, find the game's exe file, right click on it, open up the properties window, go to compatibility tab and check both of these options right here. Click on OK and then close out of these windows. Now before launching the game you should open up your GPU application. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU card you should open up NVIDIA app or download it and install it if you don't have it already. Go to the drivers section and check for the latest updates and make sure to download and install the latest updates, or try to reinstall the update if you have it already. And once you do that you should restart your system. But before restarting your system you should open up your browser and search for redist, which stands for redistributables, and then click on the first Microsoft link. Now scroll down a bit till you see this table right here, and make sure to download the 86 and the 64 version installers, both of them. Now once you download them you should launch them individually and follow the steps to install the redistributables. And once you do that you should simply restart your system and run Steam as administrator by right-clicking on Steam and run as admin. And once you run Steam, you should simply launch the game, and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.